Hey crocheters, it's me, Erin from Juniper and Oaks. I'm coming at you with another roundup of crochet patterns. Today I'm going to share with you 10 crochet pillow patterns that you can make up right now. These pillows would be great to throw on your couch to make your home look a little more cozy, or you can gift them to a friend, give them as Christmas presents. I'm going to be sharing 10 of the patterns with you, but on my website I have a roundup that has like 20 pillow patterns on it if you want to go take a look at that. But let's go look at pattern number 1. The first pattern on the list is called the Desert Flower Pillow. This was a crochet along that I ran back a couple years ago. This pillow features the jasmine stitch and it creates this beautiful like floral looking pattern. The yarn that I used for this was hand dyed yarn from High Desert Yarn. Unfortunately, she's no longer hand dyeing the yarn, but isn't this colorway she came up with me so beautiful? To make your pillow, you'll need worsted weight yarn in a size G 4mm hook. You can find this pattern at Juniper and Oaks. This next pattern is from Divine Debris. It's called the Pretty Bobles Pillow, or Not Pillow Fight Certified. This pillow adds a fun and quirky twist to any room. This pillow is bold and modern, and it uses the bobble stitch as its main technique, which is really both visually appealing and really fun texture to feel. For this pattern, you're going to need a super bulky number 6 weight yarn and a size J 6mm hook. The next pattern is the Hello Sunshine Crochet Pillow and Blanket pattern. That's right, this is like a 2-for-1. You'll be making up a blanket, but then the way that you fold it, you can fold it into a pillow. Isn't that so fun? The panels on the outside uses the alpine stitch, which is a really fun texture. And then on the inside, you have this colorwork piece that says, Hello Sunshine. This pattern calls for a worsted weight yarn in a size I 5.5mm hook. You can find this pattern on Brianna K Designs. Before I share any more pillow patterns, would you please subscribe to my YouTube channel? Be part of my crochet community on here. This next pattern is the I Love Baseball Pillow, and what's really cool about this is you can change up the colors of the yarn that you use so that you can have it match your favorite baseball team, or have it match the favorite baseball team of your son or your grandpa, your uncle. This pillow is perfect for sports lovers of all ages. You can find this pattern at Madam Stitch, and it uses a worsted weight yarn in a size I 5.5mm hook. Next up, we have the Granny's 4-Square Pillow. This is another one of my patterns that you can find on my website. It features 4 different granny squares on each side. You seam them together and you make this really fun pillow. If you love making granny squares, this pillow is for you. You're going to need worsted weight yarn in a size H 5mm hook. You can find this on my website, Juniper and Oaks. If you love boho chic decor, this next pillow is for you. It is the Bohemian crochet pillow cover, and it is from Joe to the World. It is so gorgeous. This texture-rich designs allows you to show off your skills with crochet while also creating a beautiful accent piece for your home. This pattern uses worsted weight yarn in a size F 3.75mm hook. I've got another granny square pillow for you. This is called the Mirand Granny Square Pillow. This is a classic granny square design from Underground Crafter. This classic granny square design gets a modern refresh. This is perfect for any crocheter that wants a simple yet satisfying crochet pattern to work up. You're going to need worsted weight yarn or Aran weight yarn and a size J 6mm hook. This next pillow is a fun one. It is the Dragon Eye Pillow from Hooked by Katie. This dramatic and unique design is a showstopper. This pillow is perfect for fantasy lovers as it showcases this intricate looking dragon eye motif. To make this dragon eye pillow, you're going to need worsted weight yarn and a size H and a size G hook. This project is sure to be a conversation starter and a perfect gift for all those dragon lovers. If you're looking for a super fluffy, super quick crochet pattern to make up, the Fluffy Diamond Pillow crochet pattern is for you. This pattern uses Bernat blanket yarn, which is a number 6 super bulky weight yarn, and a size L 8mm hook. So we're talking about big hook, big yarn. This is a quick and easy project, but it is so fluffy and comfortable. The diamond shaped motifs in this pillow look really great as an accent piece, but it's also super fluffy and comfortable, so you can cozy up with this decorative pillow. You can find this pillow at moogly.com. This next pillow is the Unisex Crochet Pillow. This is from Sunflower Cottage Crochet. If you're looking for the perfect gift for a man or a woman or a piece to accent any home, this pillow is for you. This is a simple and versatile pillow pattern that is easy to follow, making it a timeless piece for your home. You're gonna use worsted weight yarn in a size H 5mm hook. You can find this on Sunflower Cottage Crochet. Okay guys, that is the end of the 10 pillow patterns that I'm sharing with you today. But if you head over to my website, you can find 10 more in the full roundup post. Let me know in the comments which one of these pillows was your favorite one. Are you thinking about that dragon pillow or maybe the soft fluffy one? And if you have any other go-to pillow patterns, leave them in the comments below so we can check them out too. Please like and subscribe, share this video with your friends, and we will see you later. Happy crocheting!